and it's cheap enough. Like just one dirham. One dirham is equal to 0.27 dollar. So I think we'll start the journey and let's see. Let's talk about more history and tradition. And proudly, this city is still using this abra for all the time. Joy, welcome. And if any one of you would like to visit Dubai, would like if Dubai is there in your bucket list, I prefer you must try Abra for the first day in your Dubai visit because it's highly valuable and you can feel that authentic touch of the Arabic culture as well. So we'll explore this journey with just one dirham. I will show you. This is the one dirham. Where's the camera? Oh, yeah, this is that one dirham coin. It is approximately $0.27 in today's conversion. One dirham. Oh, I think you captured it well. People captured it well in your postcards. One dirham of United Arab Emirates. See how beautiful is this with the one dirham Abra closing. There will be 20 people, and hopefully we will get the front seat. Then we can enjoy the both views of old Dubai and the new Dubai. And thanks to the beautiful sunset, it's the best time to explore this Abra. And it's a souk, an old souk. Oh, it's truly crowded here since it's a weekend. You can see the route map over here. Let's find out who is taking the next boat. I'm waiting to find free boats, unfortunately, because these all are getting full as soon. People are busy to enjoy their weekend. It's Sunday evening here, 6:35 evening time. Oh, Wendy, that's so great. So happy to hear you that. I think at the end of this tour, we will miss the sun. The sunset is 6:59 here, 6:59 evening time. And in the other end, we can explore some other cruise, like Dove cruise, some other boat rides. And that other end is Old Dubai. We will walk a little once we experienced this Abra crossing. Mary, welcome. We are just beginning the tour. Oh God, I missed that one also. See you, welcome. So, if any one of you have any question or anything about this Abra closing or about the history of Abra closing, I will be here for you. Happy to share the history and culture. Abra closing started around 1950s with the tourists, with the merchants of Dubai for trading from one end to the other end. I think we got the first one. I mean, we will luckily. But the free boat. बैठ सकता है ना बैठ सकता है ना बैठ सकता है ना बैठ सकता है ना अभी जाएगा ना सीटीएल अच्छा oh he will not start this right now so we have to go to the other platform the picture is so clear thank you Jeannie Lorna welcome we haven't started the Abra cruising yeah we got it I'm sorry I was running in between yes we got the first seat here I am we got the first seat of Abra Karen welcome hope everyone is enjoy. Everyone will have a beautiful ride. Gabriela, welcome. We are just starting the tour. I hope that sunset is making me more happy. Your daughter is in Dubai. Oh, that's great. Convey my greetings to her and tell her she flies with Air Canada. Oh, she's flying in between. Okay, I hope our boat is getting full. He is the driver. Have a look. I gave the money. I was the first person who gave the money. Thank you, luckily. It will be an awesome journey. It will be an amazing journey today. No doubts in that. Because I feel like we are going to explore a beautiful sunset, a beautiful Abra crossing from here. The driver will start the boat within minutes, within 2 3 minutes. It's a beautiful activity since it's a local transportation, and whoever comes to Dubai, please use this Abra crossing. Of course, it's a very cheap transportation and it's an authentic experience. And you can see the difference of both old Dubai and new Dubai. So, in this tour, we can see the heritage new Dubai face as well as old Dubai face. And we can have a walk at old Dubai as well. Pat, welcome. We are going to start the, the Abra. Yes, the driver just started the engine. I will show you how he is managing. He will sit at the center and he will. It's a petroleum vehicle, so we started and please capture more of this sunset view because we will miss this sunset as soon. There is only hardly 20 minutes. Joy, it's not the round trip. If you want, so we can come back. Let's see how it will be. So we left the platform and we just started the journey from here. I hope the video is clear. Oh, so it's a beautiful journey, a pleasant journey. So Joyce, the time is 6:42 here, evening time. maximum 20, maximum 30 kilometer per hour. 20. Uh, Marco, a wind feeling. Yes, a wind feeling, but it's not cool. It's a humid atmosphere here. We can see in front that is heritage places. We can see some heritage buildings and structures over there. Hopefully, we will visit that place. That is the structure of all Dubai. We will visit that place as shown in our tour. So just near to us, there is also one more huge cruise passing. See the waves once after the cruise passed, and see the color difference of the water. Evelyn, welcome. Welcome to Dubai. We are exploring the Abra crossing from the new Dubai to the old Dubai. So basically, the right hand side of the window is new Dubai, and the left hand side is old Dubai. It looks different. Yeah, it's in the water. Yeah, I will show you the passengers who and all are here in this journey with me today. They are completely strangers for me. Lol. Everyone is strangers, locals. Hey, sunset is there still. It's a pleasant journey. You must try this journey whenever you come to Dubai. It's a request from the Dubai guide.